Bakit po?
Because I'm 3 years old.
So?
So, I like it.
Which one?
This little one.
Who told you you can eat chicharon?
Can I have it, please, Mommy? Pop.
What's chicharon? You really love chicharon?
Yes! Dad.
What do you want?
Stop, teacher one.
Ha? Saan yung...
Sopa!
And...
Teacher one.
Chicharon? Where's your chicharon?
Only one teacher one.
Saan ang chicharon?
There,
Be,
inside.
open daw kuya Be. Open mo daw Be kung may chicharon. Nasaan yung chicharon? Ay! Open please. Nasaan yung chicharon? Nasaan?
Teacher one.
Ando. Ano yan?
Teacher one.
Ah? You like the chicharon? Do you love chicharon?
Yeah.
Opo.
Okay.